You started learning Python with full energy, then stopped. Sound familiar?
Monday morg, motivated. Wednesday morg, distracted. Friday morg, you quit again. The problem is never the difficulty. It's always the approach. Motivation is just a feeling. And feelings always run out. Binge watching tutorials all day feels like progress catching. It isn't. The fix? Stop relying on feelings. Build a system instead. One rule only, Quet. 30 minutes of actual coding, every single day, no excuses. 30 minutes daily beats 5 hours once a week, every single time. Now here's what actually makes coding fun, Troop. Vibe coding. Vibe coding means building what excites you, not grinding what you hate. A game, a music app, a budget tracker, pretty, anything you actually care about. When you build something you love from, Python teaches itself. It becomes your tool. But balance matters. Structure plus vibe coding together to gleaned. That's the real formula. When you get stuck, Plurny, that's not failure. That's the actual learning happening. Stay consistent. Stay curious. Subscribe, Kritis. I post every week to keep you on track.